You're welcome back to my channel. You're welcome back to Taron Innovative World, the home of creativity and explain. Alright, if today is the first time of seeing my channel, please do well by subscribing to this channel. Alright, and in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to make another beautiful and exciting purse bag. Alright, so let's get into the detail of the video. Alright, so let's get going. So this is the material we'll be using for this bag. So I'm going to be showing you a double purse, okay, to be having two pockets facing each other this way. Okay, actually in my other video I've taught you how to make the bigger size. So this time around we'll be making a medium size. Okay, and the measurement is 7 inches by 18, 8 inches, I mean 8 inches, 8 inches by 18, 8 inches by 18. All right, and the things we'll be using, I'll be showing you one after the other as we proceed in the video. All right, so now I'm going to be cutting off some material for the handle. For the handle, I'll be cutting out some of the material. I need a strap, a long strap, let's say 11 inches long, half inches by 11. I'm only trimming this. I'm trimming this. Okay. So I need like 11 inches. All right, so this is what I need. I'm going to trim it to what should be equal. And then the wideness is half inches, half an inch, I mean. Sorry for that grammar. So now we'll be dealing with, let me fix the holder first, the hand, I mean. All right, so what I'll be doing now is all right, so let's fix the handle, I mean the holder. So this is our key holder. So I'm going to be fixing it like this and then like this. So that some parts, can you see what we have? Okay, so now we'll be using, I said you can always use what is available, what you know that is closest to you, that is available. So I'll be using this, okay, to punch the hole. But you can actually buy a puncher. But what if you don't have a puncher? You can always use other things. Okay, so now this is what I'm going to be doing. I'll fix my eyelet. This is my eyelet. I'll fix it in like this, and then this is the cover. All right, so I'll be using my hammer or anything closest to you. You can use stone, you can use anything that you can just use to hit it to make it to become okay. So I'm using a hammer because my hammer is close by. What if I don't have a hammer? I said you can always use a what do you call, you can use any hard object that you can use to hit it. So my hammer, I'll use it to hammer it. Okay, see what I have. I can keep it aside. So, I'll keep it aside. All right, so the next thing I'll be doing now is I'll be fixing my zip cloth. Okay, so I'll fix my zip cloth to this and to this side. All right, so I'm going to, this is the right side of the zip. Okay, and then my right side will be facing my right side of the material. Leave excess. Okay, and then we sew it. And top stitch it. All right, so now after you've top stitch it, the next thing is I'm going to be folding this and neatly top stitch it. Top stitch it. All right, so you're going to do the same thing to the other side. So we are fixing two zip, you see. All right, so now the next thing is I'm going to be getting the middle of this. So how do I get the middle of this? All right, so join it together like this and cut the middle. Notch it, notch the middle of the two sides because we need to get the middle. Okay, so now the next thing is I'll be, so now make sure that my two zip clothes are on the marked side. That's the notch side. Okay, but before that, um I'm going to be fixing this. Okay, so what I'll do is, since this is 8 inches, I'm going to be getting the middle, the center of it. Let me get the center, get the center. Okay, make sure you've gotten the center. So after getting the center, okay, I will press it hard so that the mark will come out. Then I will use my anything to punch it. But I'll be using my micella to punch it and then fix it. Okay, so I'll come here. They will always give you this cover. Yeah, I'll put it here and then use my hand to press it to cover it. See what we have. All right, so now remember I need to get the other side too. So, so this is the second one that covers it. This is the second cover. I'll fix it on it. This is the second cover. Okay, so that I can use this one now to get the other side. So that I can get the mark. So I will now know that. Did you see what I have? So I will now use my puncher to punch here, to punch here. So I'll now fix this one into it and then put the cover. Do the same thing you did to the other side by bringing down the two can use your hand to bring it down, or you can use anything to just bring it down. So see what we have. Okay, so we are done with this. So the next thing is to sew the purse together. Okay, sew this together by fixing your zip. First of all, we are going to fix our zip head. So fix your zip head. So we are fixing two zip heads because we have two zip clothes. Okay, to make up the two sides of the bag. Alright, so after these, I will get the middle. So this zip cloth will stand at the middle, and then I will top stitch it. Top stitch it to the other S pin. I'll still bring this other zipper, put it beside it, and top stitch it. Alright, so this is what I have. The next thing, I'm going to cut the excess zip cloth. I'm going to trim it off neatly from the two sides. So the next thing is I'm going to top stitch here. I'm going to top stitch here. Okay, so let's get into that. I hope you see what I'm doing. So make sure you trim it off to give it a neat finishing. I'll do the same thing here. Alright, so you see what we have. Right, so now the next thing is I'm not going to leave it plain like this. I'm not going to leave it plain. I want to decorate this side, the edges. So we call this one, can you see this? So I'm going to be fixing it to the side, to the edges, triangle. I'm going to be fixing it to the angle. I mean, the name is angle, okay? So you just fix it to the four sides. And then use something to hit it. Fix it here. Fix it here. Let's fix it here. So you need four because we have four angles. You'll be needing four angles. Alright, so I'm going to be using my hammer or anything to hit it. After you fix it and it's standing, Alright, so it's neatly fixed. Remember that we've done our handle, right? So just pick any of this, any of the zip head, any of the hole, and fix this. This is a key holder. Remember, you can always adjust it. So this is it. So I'm going to fix it to any of the zip head. All right, so my medium pulse is ready. All right, so comment below if you've been helped. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. If you have yet to subscribe, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Share with your friends. Like by clicking the thumbs up button. Thank you.